I don't even know the okay, but there you go, clap. This is probably going to be the shittiest video of life. Hopefully the mic sounds decent. I want to see if it's that noticeable, if it'll blend in. I don't want to always have to wear collared shirts, or button-up shirts I should say, but it might have to be the case. Just in case I am out of focus, I'll talk right here. You know, hopefully this works out. I want to be able to do more things with this microphone. This is it here, just for fun. Now that we've done it here, because we have the time, right? I don't know. Let's try that. If I can get the fucking thing going. I don't know what that's gonna sound like. Maybe worse, maybe better. I don't know. But I did a few tests right before this. This is what I found was the best chest level. Talking right there. Well, obviously I can't do that because I can't hold a mic like that, but this would be optimal right here. So let's just go back to where it was here. And then I'll go take a crap because I seriously need one. There you go. This is where it probably will end up once again. Hopefully it works out. Cheers.